Mandela Day means a lot to me, but it's not that it just means to me. It means to the whole country. So Mandela wanted peace to South Africa, and now this is what we have.
Mandela Day means a lot to me. It's an amazing day for the country and for me. Mandela showed leadership, the way we should show leadership to others, showing kindness.
Mandela Day means a lot to me. It shows us how Mandela has changed this amazing country to be what it is today, and how he has showed leadership through kindness and courage.
I mean, Mandela Day is very important to me. It's celebrating the life of such an amazing man who brought South Africa to such a great place from where it was back then. It wasn't in a great place, and he really brought South Africa together and helped it so much. So it's just celebrating his life.
Mandela Day means to me all of the people that we need to acknowledge that were kind, who showed South Africa and around the world different things about how to take care of people and how to show respect towards other people and dignity. And it shows a lot of kindness, and it shows how people around the world take care of each other and share a lot of their characteristics and kindness and lovingness around the world.